Trees by Joyce Kilmer. I think I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breaths. A tree that looks at God all day and leaps sleepy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, and whose bosom no has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree.